Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 6 and 7 in exercise 14.3. Problem number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. So here from a telephone directory we are selecting 100 surnames, and in the surnames we are discussing about the how frequently the letters are placed. So here you see number of letters 1 to 4 and number of surnames, that is in 6 surnames we are having the letters, that is letters in the range 1 to 4. Similarly for the entire column, this is the given tabulation which is given. So here we are asked to find the median number of letters in the surnames, find the mean number of letters in the surnames, and also the modal size of the surnames. So here we are expected to find all the data, right? Median, mean and mode. So first we will start our discussion with median. So again when you look at the tabulation, you see we are having a continuity, right? 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10. So it's fine. And when you look at the frequencies, again the numbers are not in ascending order, they are randomly placed. So this is our frequency. So to find median, the first step is we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. So again, how to calculate cumulative frequency? You have to write the first number here as such, and to find the second number, just you have to add with the next number here. So 60 plus 30, 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 60, 92, 92 plus 4, 96, and 96 plus 4 gives you 100. So here what is the value of n? So here the value of n is 100. So 100 by 2 is 50. So what is the number which is just greater than 50 in this cumulative frequency? It is 76. So here you have to consider this row. So here in this row, what is the value of f? So here the value of f is 40. And the respective class is 7 to 10. What is the value of L? The L value is 7. So here L is 7. And what is H? H is the difference between these two. So here it is 3. Then what is the value of cumulative frequency? So this 36 is our cumulative frequency. Okay, the value prior to this selected row gives cumulative frequency. So now just substitute the values. So here the value of median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. So what is the value of L? It is 7. What is n? It is 100. What is the cumulative frequency? It is 36. And what is f? F is 40 and the value of h is 3. So just list out all the datas. Now we can directly substitute these values in the formula. So the value of L is 7, n is 100 and Cf is 36, f is 40 and h is 3. So again 7 plus 100 by 2 is 50. So 50 minus 36 gives 14. So 14 by 40 into 3. So when you cancel these two numbers, here we are getting 7 and here it is 20. Again 7 3s are 21. So 21 by 20 gives 1.05. Okay, we are having the 7 as such. So 7 plus 1.05 gives the answer 8.05. So median number of letters in the surnames are given by the value 8.05. The next one is calculating the value of mean. So how to find the value of mean? Here again we are using step deviation method. So the step deviation method has 6 columns. So the first 2 columns are given in the problem and the rest 4 we have to frame. So we will go back from the formula. You see here by step deviation method the formula is a plus summation of fi ui by summation of fi into h. So here we need fi ui. So just frame a column for fi ui. What is ui? Ui is nothing but di by h. What is di? Di is xi minus a. And what is xi? For xi we need a column. So here xi is nothing but the average of these intervals. That is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 2, 2.5. Similarly, 7 plus 10 is 17, 17 by 2 gives 8.5. And 13 plus 16, again this makes 29. 29 by 2 gives you 14.5. Just you have to take the average. And now we have to select the value of A. So here just count down how many values we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally we have 6 values. So we will be having 2 numbers in the middle, right? Here these are the numbers which occupy the middle position. So among these 2 numbers you can select any one as A. So here I have selected the value 8.5 as A. So here just keep the value of A as 8.5, and here these are all the different values of xi. So just substitute them and write down the answer. Here the value of xi is 2.5. So 2.5 minus 8.5 gives minus 6. Similarly, 5.5 minus 8.5 gives minus 3. And similarly, 11.5 minus 8.5 gives 3. And 14.5 minus 8.5 makes 6. Similarly, just fill the column like this. And the next thing is di by h. H is nothing but the difference between the intervals. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So the value of h is 3. Just you have to divide, okay, di by h. Here we have di, we know the value of h. So minus 6 by 3, minus 2. Minus 3 by 3, minus 1. And again 0 by 3, 0. So 3 by 3, 1. 6 by 3, 2. And 9 by 3 gives 3. Right. Finally, we are calculating Fi ui. So here, this is your Fi. This is the value of Fi. So Fi into ui. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 30 into minus 1, minus 30. 40 into 0, 0. 16 into 1, 16. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now we have to find summation of Fi ui. So here you have to add all the negative numbers together and all the positive numbers together. So when you add the negative numbers, here we get minus 42, and when you add all the positive numbers, here we get 36. So minus 42 plus 36 gives minus 6. And what about summation of Fi? Here they are directly given 100 surnames. So here n is 100. Anyway, when you add all these frequencies, here the answer is 100. Now just substitute these values here. Okay. By step deviation method, mean is A plus summation of Fi ui by summation of Fi into h. Here the value of A is 8.5. Summation of Fi ui is minus 6. So minus 6, summation of Fi is 100 and h is 3. So here 6 3s are 18. So 8.5 minus 18 by 100. So 18 by 100 gives 0.18. When you subtract here, finally we end up with the answer 8.32. So here the mean number of letters in the surname is given by the value 8.32. So this is the mean value. Now we will proceed with our mode. So here mode is given by L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here again we can have the same tabulation and we can pick all these values. So regarding mode, we should select the highest frequency or maximum frequency. So in this frequency values, the highest frequency value is 40. So this is the value of F1. So this is your F1. Obviously, F0 is 30 and F2 is 16. So the class corresponding to the maximum frequency is 7 to 10. So here in this case, what is the value of L? The value of L is 7. And what about the H? Again, the value of H is 3. Okay, 10 minus 7 gives you 3. So here substitute the values. Okay, 7 plus 40 minus 30 divided by, that is F1 is 40 and F0 is 30. Okay, everything just list it down. And now you can directly substitute it in the formula. Once you substitute, you see 40 minus 30 gives 10. 2 into 40 gives 80 and minus 30 minus 16 makes minus 46. So 80 minus 46 gives you 34. So 30 by 34 gives the answer 0.88. So 7 plus 0.88 gives the answer 7.88. Therefore, the modal size of the surname is given by the number 7.88. So this problem gets over here. We will proceed with our final problem of this exercise. So problem number 7. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. So here the value of n is 30. So again look at the tabulation. Here the intervals are perfect, right? They have a continuation 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. And here we are having number of students. Again when you look at the frequencies, you see the numbers are randomly placed. They are not in ascending order. So the frequency value is given. We have to find the cumulative frequency. So here while calculating the cumulative frequency, we have to write the first number as such, and to find the next numbers you have to add. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 3 28, 28 plus 2 30. So here what is the value of n? The value of n is 30. This is also given in the problem. So what is n by 2? N by 2 is 15. So what is the number which is just greater than 15? So here it is 19. So you have to look at this row. So in this row, what is the value of L? This is your value of L. Sorry, this is your value of F, and the respective class is 55 to 60. So here the value of L is 55. What about H? H is the difference between these two. So the value of H is 5. Now here we have to calculate the value of cumulative frequency. So the value of cumulative frequency is, you have to consider the cumulative frequency value which is above this row. So here the value of cumulative frequency is 13. So just substitute all these values in the formula. So here the value of median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. So here the value of L is 55, the value of H is 5. So just substitute them. The value of n is 30. So n by 2 is 15 and the cumulative frequency value is 13 and the value of frequency is 6. So the next thing is we have to solve. So 15 minus 13 gives you 2. Okay, write the remaining parameters as such. 55 plus, when you solve this, 15 minus 13 gives you 2. So 2 by 6 into 5. So again, here what is the thing? This becomes, when you cancel 2 and 6, it becomes 1 by 3. So here it is 5 by 3. 5 by 3 gives 1.67. So 55 plus 1.67 finally gives the answer 56.67. So this is the median weight of the students. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.